Imagine stepping into a garage workshop where every tool is exactly where you expect it to be, every surface is ready for the next project, and nothing slows down your creative momentum. A well-organized garage workshop does more than store tools. It removes friction between an idea and the finished project. Whether the space is large or small, the right workshop ideas transform an ordinary garage into a highly efficient environment where cutting, building, organizing, and finishing all flow naturally. The most productive workshops are not always the biggest ones. They are the ones designed with intention, where every shelf, wall, and work surface contributes to making DIY projects easier and more enjoyable. One of the most powerful ways to improve a garage workshop is by turning vertical walls into active storage zones. When tools are visible and reachable, projects move forward without constant searching or rearranging. Pegboards, slat walls, magnetic strips, and modular racks allow tools to stay organized while still being flexible enough to change as your projects evolve. A well-designed tool wall becomes more than storage. It becomes a visual map of the workshop that keeps frequently used tools within seconds of reach. Another simple but transformative idea is creating dedicated work zones. Instead of one crowded workbench doing everything, the workshop can be divided into smaller functional areas. A cutting zone for saws and measuring tools, an assembly zone for building projects, and a finishing zone for sanding and applying coatings. This separation reduces clutter and keeps each stage of a project flowing smoothly from one step to the next. Lighting also plays a surprisingly powerful role in workshop efficiency. Many garages rely on a single overhead light that creates shadows and hides details. Adding bright LED strips above the workbench, task lights for precision work, and soft lighting along storage walls can dramatically improve visibility. When lighting is balanced and evenly distributed, measuring becomes easier, cuts become more accurate, and small details are no longer missed. Smart storage containers can transform the way small parts are handled in a workshop. Clear bins, labeled drawers, and stackable boxes allow screws, bolts, nails, and hardware to stay sorted and easy to locate. Instead of digging through random containers, every piece of hardware has a dedicated place. This simple change eliminates one of the most common frustrations in DIY projects. Fold-away work surfaces are another idea that can completely change the usability of a garage workshop. A fold-down workbench attached to the wall provides a large workspace when needed but disappears when the project is finished. This approach is especially useful in small garages where floor space must remain flexible for vehicles, storage, or larger builds. Mobile workshop furniture is another upgrade that adds flexibility and efficiency. Rolling workbenches, tool carts, and movable storage units allow the entire workshop to adapt to different project sizes. Instead of carrying heavy materials across the room, the work surface can come directly to the project. Mobility keeps the workshop dynamic rather than fixed and restrictive. A lumber storage system is another powerful improvement. Instead of stacking boards in random piles, vertical lumber racks or wall-mounted holders keep materials organized by size and type. When wood is easy to access, planning projects becomes faster and materials stay in better condition. Dust control is another idea that dramatically improves the workshop experience. Even simple dust collection systems or shop vacuum connections can reduce airborne particles and keep the space cleaner. A cleaner workshop not only protects tools but also makes it easier to focus on the project itself. Creative storage solutions for clamps, drills, and power tools can also streamline the building process. Dedicated racks, shelves, and holders prevent tools from piling up on the workbench. When every tool has a defined resting place, the workshop resets itself naturally after each project. Cable management is another overlooked workshop idea. Power cords and extension cables can quickly become tangled hazards. Installing hooks, reels, or wall-mounted cable organizers keeps cords tidy and accessible. This small improvement reduces distractions and keeps the workspace safer. Another powerful workshop improvement is installing modular shelving systems that can grow over time. Adjustable shelves allow storage layouts to evolve as tools and materials change. A flexible system prevents the workshop from becoming outdated as new equipment is added. Creating a measuring and layout station is another idea that can make projects more precise. A dedicated surface for marking, measuring, and planning cuts keeps layout tools organized and reduces mistakes before the first cut is made. Magnetic tool holders are also a simple upgrade that saves time. Frequently used metal tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches can attach instantly to magnetic strips mounted on the wall. This keeps tools visible while freeing valuable drawer space. Another idea that improves workflow is a dedicated charging station for cordless tools. Instead of scattered chargers across the workshop, a small charging shelf with organized power outlets keeps batteries ready for the next project. Small drawers and hardware cabinets also help create a more professional workshop environment. Labeling compartments for different screws and fasteners ensures that hardware can be found instantly without interrupting the building process. Workbench organization can also be improved with built-in tool trays and edge storage. These small features keep tools from rolling off the surface while still keeping them within reach. Creating a finishing area for painting, staining, and sealing wood projects can also make a big difference. By separating finishing work from cutting and sanding zones, dust contamination is reduced and final results look more professional. Another helpful idea is installing a whiteboard or planning board on the wall. This simple addition allows project sketches, measurements, and material lists to stay visible while work progresses. Wall-mounted holders for safety gear such as goggles, gloves, and hearing protection also improve workshop efficiency. When safety equipment is visible and accessible, it becomes part of the workflow rather than an afterthought. A scrap wood organization system is another powerful improvement. Instead of random offcuts scattered across the shop, categorized bins for small, medium, and long pieces make it easier to reuse materials in future projects. Another creative workshop idea is using transparent storage containers for specialty tools. Seeing tools instantly without opening drawers speeds up project preparation. Installing small corner shelves can also take advantage of unused space in the garage. Corners often become clutter zones, but with simple shelving they become useful storage areas. Ceiling storage racks are another smart solution for seasonal or rarely used items. By moving infrequently used tools upward, valuable wall and floor space remains available for daily work. Workbench lighting can also be improved with adjustable lamps that move with the project. This allows precise control over shadows and visibility. Installing rubber floor mats near the workbench can reduce fatigue during long building sessions. Comfort improvements help maintain focus and productivity. Another effective idea is adding tool outlines or labels on tool boards. This visual system makes it obvious where each tool belongs, helping keep the workshop organized even during busy projects. Using stackable containers for fasteners and accessories can also simplify workshop storage. Vertical stacking saves space while keeping items organized. Adding a small stool or seating area near the workbench can make detailed tasks more comfortable and controlled. Creating a dedicated sharpening station for blades and chisels ensures that cutting tools remain sharp and ready. Installing sliding storage drawers under the workbench also uses otherwise wasted space efficiently. Another idea is using transparent drawer systems that display hardware without opening every compartment. A materials preparation table can also help organize sanding, cutting, and measuring before assembly begins. As these ideas accumulate, the garage workshop begins to transform. What once felt like a simple storage space evolves into a system designed for creativity and efficiency. Tools become easier to find, materials become easier to manage, and projects progress more smoothly from concept to completion. The true goal of these workshop ideas is not perfection but flow. When the workshop supports your process instead of interrupting it, creativity expands and productivity grows. Even small improvements, one shelf, one rack, one lighting upgrade, can create noticeable changes in how easily projects come together. Every workshop evolves over time, shaped by the projects built within it. By continuously refining storage, layout, lighting, and workflow, even a modest garage can become a highly capable creative space. The most successful DIY workshops are not defined by size or expensive tools. They are defined by thoughtful organization and systems that make every project easier to build. And when the workshop works with you instead of against you, the process of building becomes faster, more enjoyable, and far more rewarding. If these garage workshop ideas inspired new ways to organize your space, consider exploring more workshop systems and creative upgrades that make building easier and more efficient. Small improvements today often become the foundation of bigger projects tomorrow.